We expand productivity up to 520 linear meters per hour, and that's the most productive all-in-one pigment digital printer on the markets. We have focused our message at this ITM on sustainable textile digital printing, and especially on our pigment solution. We have a very extensive range of products offering all kinds of solutions in reactive disperse dye-sub acids, but pigment in the last 10 years one of our key strategic pillars. And now we have an install base all over the world in the 5 continents, pigment printers Reggiani. At this ITM we bring 3 main innovations. We are presenting at this ITM first the Ecotera Next, that is the smaller print, quickly, easily installed, very small footprints, medium-low productivity. It's the ideal solution that we've been asked to produce for customers, and that's the target, especially in Europe, that they want to bring in-house printing. So with only one machine they can start very quickly with a very small investment, very low entry barrier, and they can get running very soon. Then on the other side we expanded the Ecotera range with the Titan. They adopted our Ecotera goals. They wanted to have higher productivity, developed the Titan, and with the Titan we achieved 2 major improvements. From one side we expand productivity up to 520 linear meters per hour, and that's the most productive all-in-one pigment digital printer on the markets. On the second side, with the Titan we expanded the range of fabrics and substrates that we can manage, with all kind of cotton blended fabrics, woven and knitted, where customers they don't only come to see the printers. A third innovation that we bring now at the ITM is the ink. Pigment revolution is not only about printer, it's really a combination. It's a combination of chemistry, printing device, process, but also ink. And we launched here at ITM the Ecotera Plus. It's the new formulation. It's an evolution of our Ecotera ink. We improve in solidity, we improve in hand feel, we improve in color intensity, but most of all, we also try to give a solution that is more cost effective to customers. We believe the future of textile is very much in the pigment revolution. Full range of solutions, case by case, directs and basically address the customer to the best solution for them to achieve their business results. In some cases, reactive will still be the best solution. We're also working to have a more eco-sustainable reactive digital printing solution, because we strongly believe that we need to have a clean and eco-sustainable textile industry. Cost is considered principal element of choice. Escape from the mindset and the prison. Today cost, everything counts. And that's more a little bit ideological, if you let me say, for the industry, but for the world. On the second side, our proposal in terms of total cost of ownership, we can guarantee that our printers will last in time. Today, about 35 printers of that generation have been upgraded by our service. The old 13 years old printer is still working, construction is solid, quality, reliable components, very strong printing engine, very strong carriage, very strong printed concepts. Choosing now for the cost today, it's a double mistake. It's a mistake in terms of TCO, having disposable printers that they last only 3-4 years and then they are totally dismantled. And Bangladesh is one of our key markets, is to visit customers. What we will do is first of all listening to them wherever they are, understanding that there are differences from country to country, also specific situation. In Bangladesh, for instance, there have been 2 years very difficult. Now the situation is getting better, and we expect that we can start customers that they have the strength and the visibility to invest in capital equipment. 2 basically range of solutions. The first one is on traditional reactive. If you really want to have high productivity with high quality, then Hyper and Extra is the best possible product they can choose, and we would like to convince them with facts. I mean, give us drawings, give us fabrics, let's make tests together, let us show that quality is different. On the second side, we would like to test also in Bangladesh. I'm not sure of the level of evolution at the moment, the pigment solution. So reactive from one side, I would like to ask the question if in Bangladesh there is already some interest in eco-sustainable solution, pigment products, and this is a kind of work in progress. I really need to explore, and I think that will be a big part of my next visit in Bangladesh.